Hello there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is a Toyota Yaris XL Hybrid. It's equipped with a 1.5 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission, with the vehicle also being ULEZ compliant. This metallic brown model we have for sale comes to us in excellent condition, having just one previous owner. You'll be treated to a full suite of LED headlights and rear lights for great visibility on the road, and your alloy wheels pair really well with the rest of your exterior. Your boot is a nice size for a smaller vehicle, and you do have a protective mat on offer in the event of any spillages. Inside, you've got this lovely two-tone light upholstery for a more premium and inviting cabin. ISOFIX points are available for those with small children. As we head into the front of the vehicle, you can see there's plenty of room for driver and passenger, with the driver having access to a multifunction steering wheel. You can use the left side of the wheel to toggle information on your driver display. As you can see, the Yaris is capable of averaging well over 60 miles per gallon, so it's great on fuel economy. Your cruise control options are on the right, and your keyless ignition is found just behind the wheel. From your main touchscreen, you can browse various entertainment options, including your DAB radio. External connection via Bluetooth is available, including smartphone pairing for audio streaming and hands-free call access. Built-in satellite navigation is on offer with this model to help you find those newer destinations that much easier, and manoeuvring is made simple thanks to a rear view camera, so you can avoid any scrapes in those tricky parking situations. Below, you've got a simple to use dual zone climate control setup with an auto function for convenience. The centre of the vehicle houses a nice amount of storage with an adjustable armrest as well. Thank you for your interest in this Toyota Yaris XL Hybrid available from Honda Bolton. For more information, please contact a member of the sales team.